Hey everyone, Blake here with Cali Raised LED, and today we are going to be installing our 2010 and up Toyota 4Runner low profile ditch light mounts. These are a great solution for getting an LED pod up on the corner of your hood. We have the lowest profile mount on the market, so that pod is going to sit nice and low where it almost looks like it's sitting on the hood itself. The installation is extremely simple, and the only tool you need is a 12mm wrench or socket. We're gonna get started on this install, and it should only take you about 10 minutes. So your mounts are going to fit over these two factory bolts. We are going to do them one at a time. Because you have the 4Runner with the gas-assisted hood, if you pull both of these out, it's gonna make your hood want to pop up. So to be careful, we are just gonna do one at a time. You are going to wanna start with the bolt that is the closest to you. Once we get this bolt removed, we are going to slide the bracket underneath and replace the bolt back in its original hole. You are gonna want to make it tight enough so that you can still swing the bracket, but not too tight to where you can't. The reason we wanna make this tight is because it'll help us keep the hood in place when we go to remove the other bolt. Now we have the lower bolt removed. We are going to slide the bracket over the other hole and reinstall the lower bolt. Once you get that one hand tight, you are going to take your ratchet and tighten that one down as well. As you can notice, these brackets are slotted. This allows for you to have adjustment on your bracket, as some LED pods need to sit a little further back and some smaller ones can sit up tighter. If you're wanting to adjust these, we recommend loosening both bolts evenly so you can slide the brackets without causing any movement of the hood. We have these brackets in the exact place that we need them to be, so now we can install our lights and finish the install.